So, welcome to my latest video, and in this video I'll be showing you how to create a CV from your LinkedIn profile. So basically this is going to help you massively in converting what you have in your LinkedIn profile into something that you can hand to potential employers. So what you need to do first thing is go to your LinkedIn profile. So what you should have on your LinkedIn profile is your job history, any education, any special certificates you've got, and all of these will then be brought across into a PDF document that is formatted as a CV. So you'll have something like this sort of screen on hopefully on your computer. And what you do is you navigate to the More button. And then you have two options now. You can either save straight to a PDF, or you can actually build a resume now. So what I'm going to be doing first off is saving straight to a PDF. So once that's downloaded, which shouldn't take too long, you can open it up, and there you'll have a pre-formatted, pre-completed CV or resume with basically all of the information that's in your LinkedIn profile. You don't have the option to change it. It's literally whatever is in your LinkedIn profile is brought out and put into this format, which is predetermined. So your second option is then to create a resume entirely from your LinkedIn information, but you can also then edit it as well. So if you then go back onto your profile and click on create a resume, it comes up with a screen, press new resume. So this is all the information that's on your profile, but as you can see with the little pencils, you actually now have the option to make changes, to add information, take information away, and you even get the option to preview it, which annoyingly won't work on my screen, on my connection at the moment. But what it basically will show you is, once you've downloaded it as a PDF, is that it will let you show when it eventually loads with my bad internet. It will eventually what the preview will show you is this sort of screen. So I'll have that information there with all the changes that you made in the previous screen, and then you can obviously download it and submit it then to whoever or wherever you need to. So like I said, this is just a simple, easy way to get a great CV format started, ready, and then you can then make these changes down the line to better suit what roles you're applying for, and hopefully you'll have some luck with it.